For the hottest and coolest products out there, look no further than Cool Tools. Eating healthy is tough. Trying to manage your portions, read labels, counting calories, it ends up being a lot of work. For those of you looking for a smart way to start prioritizing your health, we have just the thing. It's called the Smart Diet Scale. It's not just your everyday food scale. This device can track your entire meal with 4 different quadrant sensors that help match the way people truly build their meals. The Smart Diet Scale also has an app where it will log what you eat and help you manage your diet. It can also tell you the nutritional value of the food you weigh using the scale. This device is a no-brainer when it comes to controlling your portions. Be sure to check out the Smart Diet Scale to see how you can start being smart about what you're eating. For more information on the Smart Diet Scale, visit HouseSmartsTV.com.